What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use a while loop in VHDL programming. This is our previous this is from the previous video code. I created this one for the for loop, but when we create the while loop we had to introduce the variable first, because in for loop we declare the variable right away and print it out, but when we create the while loop we had to declare the variable in between these processes and begin. So let's go ahead and do that. Variable I and a colon, and after that integer colon equal 0, okay, and a semicolon. Now since we are creating while loop, let's get rid of this one. This is for loop. So while loop, I set the condition while less than 10, so it should goes up to 0 to 9, because less than 10 mean it should be less than 10 and starting from 0, because we initialize this one with 0, so it should start from 0. And loop report I integer image, it remains the same, and here we do the increment each time. I colon equal I plus 1. So this is increment by 1, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, there's an error showing up. Let's see what that is. Exit code expected. I put end loop. Okay, end entity architecture and begin processes. Variable I is this. Begin while loop. Okay, report I ampersand. This one is okay. This one is wait, end process architecture. Everything seems perfect. Keyword loop expected. I put it right here, and same. Error expression expected test bench. VHD keyword loop expected. Okay, let me double check what's wrong here. Entity is end entity, that's right. Architecture same, of name is okay. Begin processes, variable I integer is equal to 0, good. Begin while I didn't put I, that's a problem. I is less than 10. Now it should work. Now you can see I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, and it goes up to 9. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn VHDL programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.